Hey guys, so Tesla has been getting absolutely annihilated today. And as a Tesla shareholder, I want to give my feelings on this and what I'm doing with the stock. And I mean, not only is it down 4.9% today, and if you take a look at the today's numbers, like this was a good day in the market. And yesterday was a good day in the market too. And Tesla still found a way to drop 4.9%, 4.09% today. And heck, by the 6 months, we're talking 27% down. Now, unless you've been living on Mars these past 6 months, you almost certainly have an idea as to why Tesla's down. Elon Musk completed his acquisition of Twitter on October the 27th. And if we take a look at the stock price, so that was on a Friday. So starting that Monday or Tuesday, and it's been downhill from there. Absolutely downhill from there. Now, in my humble opinion, now we go to this website here, Market Watch, and we're talking about people's opinions on Twitter having a negative view on Tesla. And yeah, I mean, Market Watch says it right here. I mean, self-described liberals now view Tesla more negatively than conservatives, though conservatives also have a negative view of the brand on average. Now, say what you will about Twitter and Elon's acquisition of Twitter. Personally, I love it, and nowadays, now that both sides are able to speak on stuff without getting without getting removed from Twitter, I think it's a lot more interesting now. So whether I love or hate what I see, every time I go on Twitter, like I find interesting things to read. But I mean, a lot of people from a certain political group are not happy with what's going on. And I don't have the numbers to back it up, but it is my opinion that a lot of the sell-off right now is basically protest selling. Now, and a part of it I actually do agree with, because I also think that there is a certain portion of people that are selling that are selling Tesla because of Elon's involvement with Twitter. Basically, they think that Elon is focusing way too much on Twitter and not enough on Tesla, and they are concerned with good cause that this, Elon's super involvement with Twitter might hurt Tesla over the long run. Now, that's not something I 100% agree with, but I would say I understand where they're coming from. Now, no matter why the protesters are selling off Tesla, in my opinion, these are just short-term concerns. I mean, over the long term, over the past several quarters, I mean, Tesla has done nothing but just jump revenue after revenue. If you take a look at the by the quarter, if you take a look at it by year over year, I mean, on both the top line and the bottom line, like Tesla is absolutely killing it, and there is no indication that Tesla is going to stop killing it. And even with all the protest selling going on, I mean, analysts, they can't deny that Tesla is going to continue to absolutely kill it in revenue. That is something they can't deny. And because this sell-off is temporary, like, I'm watching this price like a hawk. Now, when I bought Tesla a few years ago, I bought Tesla at all-time highs. It was a terrible time to buy, and although I am happy to be a shareholder, I do regret buying Tesla when I did. So I'm watching the stock price like a hawk. Now, I am as you guys may know over my portfolio videos, I'm focusing right now on my ETFs. However, if Tesla keeps dropping and it goes well below my cost basis, and it will have to go well below my cost basis, like, I'm going to keep buying shares. And that probably goes for a lot of people too, is that if the stock price goes lower enough, like, people are going to pile in and start buying it again, because people aren't going to miss out on money. Like, money talks. And yeah, Tesla is an absolute beast of a company, and no amount of short-term protesting is going to change that. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.